Hey everyone, welcome back to College Snippets YouTube channel. So today we'll be discussing how to install Wine and then use it for Windows MS Word setup because the library and all are quite not very compatible for researchers and IPA departments writers. I genuinely like Microsoft Office as well. So how you can establish it and use it as a stable version. So just open your Chrome or any kind of browser that you want, and you just have to write MS Office 2007. We'll be beginning with 2007 because it's quite the stable for Wine 32. uh, MS Office 2007 32-bit download, and when you press enter, just look for Internet Archive. All right, just click on it, move down, and you can see ISO image, right? Just download it. All right, it will be downloaded. Till then, just close it. It will be downloaded in the back end. Let's start with some basic steps that are required for initial setup to make it work. So we'll be beginning with the updation of our Ubuntu. Just write sudo apt update, type your password, and press enter. Similarly, we'll be going with the second command, that is upgrade space dash y. Alright, so our basic processes are complete. Now what we require is enabling the 32-bit processor. So what we need to do is just write sudo dpkg dpackage space dash add dash architecture space i386, the standard architecture for 32-bit allowance. All right, just press enter, and then we will be moving on to the next step. But before that, you need to update your the package, the support again. So just update your Ubuntu. Just write sudo apt update. Right, now what you need to do is install Wine. So in my system, the Wine and all the associated versions are already installed. But to showcase you that how you have to set up and all, I'll be going through it. Well, it will take time for your system to install depending on your network speed and the configuration. uh, it can typically take like 5 to 10 minutes, but for me it will like be seconds. So sudo apt install. uh, let's go with all the versions associated with Wine. First 64, then space 32, then space Wine bind. Make sure there are no spaces between the numeric and the letter. Last is bind space win bind space dash y. That's it. Oh, so sorry. It's win bind, not wine bind. All right. So here we go. Now to cross validate if the version was installed or not, just write wine space dash version. All right, it's installed successfully. But what you need to do is install Winetricks. Just write sudo apt install Winetricks. Winetricks space dash y. All right, it's also, so I've already I'm very familiar and I've already worked with the wine. So for you, it will typically take much longer for their setups. Just write wine tricks to validate if it was downloaded or not. So just write wine tricks space dash version, press enter, and you can see it's there. Now we need to create a clean wine prefix. So just write export wine wine prefix equals to dollar home, all in caps lock. All right, from W to E, all in caps lock. Just then the slash dot, and just write in small letter wine dash office and the version number, which is going to be 2007. Press enter. Now we need to export the wine arch. So it's going to be export again, capital wine arch, which is equivalent to, so just apply the equals sign and just write win32 because it's quite stable for it. All right, and we're just going to write wine boot. So as there can be a pop-up like this, it might be saying wine arch is set to win32. So we have to, you know, set to wine arch. And then how to do it. So before we begin with the next step, let us first check which architectures are enabled. All right, to check that, write d package dash dash print dash foreign foreign dash architecture architectures, not architecture, and just press enter. So as you can see, there are two. So I have to disable the 1386 first. If you see more than one, because we only require I1, I386, I3861, not this one. It was a typo error at first. So how to disable it? All right. To remove the invalid architecture, we just have to write sudo dpackage dpkg space dash dash remove dash architecture, and just write the number 1386, and I'll just remove it. So here you go, it's removed. Just verify it again, the d package print line, and yeah, so existing one is this. So we'll just update it one more time. Just write sudo apt update. Right now on Ubuntu, with the package wine version that is 10.0, so we have the option that says uh, wine uses wow 64 mode, but we do not we don't want that. So how to remove it? Just write rm space dash rf space tilde operator slash dot, uh, we're gonna go with the wine space office 2007 version. Just press enter, and uh, let's export wine prefix. Just export it, wine prefix, press enter, and just wine boot it again. So as you can see, we are getting this error again. Now how to achieve this is kind of frustrating, but it will work. So wine arch is doubling in between, so we have to now just remove it. So how we remove these things is just write unset wine arch. Sorry, no, it's correct. Wine arch, yeah. So we have unsetted it. To verify, we just write echo and echo dollar wine arch. So it's kind of not appearing. That means it's not printing anything, right? So we'll just run this same command over here from rm to here again. So just copy the rm one, uh, just press enter, then the prefix one, export wine prefix, and then the wine boot. So the wine configuration in home is being updated. Please wait. So now you will be able to see. So we have some unsupported and everything. Let me just verify first. So the directory has been created, but we have to configure them one by one. So first, let's export the wine prefix. So just export wine prefix $home1. Just press enter and just write wine cfg configuration. Press enter. So wine configuration has been opened. We have to just refer to. Let me just check whether the libraries are there or not. So what you need to do is open applications. Uh, so as you can see, this is Windows version. I would recommend go with Windows 7 because buying configuration at Windows 7 is absolutely best because Windows 7 was the ultimatum. Just click apply and OK. Do not change anything under the driver graphics or anything. Alright. And now we are required to install some certain component. Just press enter and just again export the wine prefix. Alright, you exported it. Now just write wine tricks. Wine tricks. We need the core fonts, sorry, core fonts. Uh, Richard 20, Richard, Richard 30. We need the MS XML. Uh, let's go with the 6. So MS XML 6 and GDI plus. GDI plus. These are some components, and this will take time, so wait for a while. If you ever encounter this kind of loop, all right, seems like warning and all, just control C, all right, and just press enter. So what happened was, as you can see, unknown file arch. This is when it is not the wine arch hasn't been removed, and your system relies on 64-bit, and the 32-bit configuration is not being uh, configured properly. So how to resolve it? Let me show you. So what we will be doing is we will not be running the all the components at one. We'll just run the main ones for the first time. So again, just export and just use wine tricks and MSX XML6, right, for the very first time. Remove the extra ones. So Winetricks and MS XML6. That's it. And just press enter. So as you can see, already installed. So skipping. That means it completes the main functions. Let's check for the remaining ones first. Now let's go with the GDI because it's very important. Just write export again and just write wine tricks and go with GDI plus GDI plus. That's it. Press enter and wait for a few seconds. Alright, and till the download is being completed, let's go to our Chrome and check whether the download was complete or not. So yes, the download is complete. We'll just open the folder uh, and we'll just go to the properties and we'll just copy this parent folder. That's it, because it will be required, or you can just learn about it. So we'll be not requiring this anymore. Just wait for few hours, few minutes, I guess, because this downloading process and everything depends upon your network speed. So I'll just pause for a while. So as you can see, GDI Plus and the XLM both have been downloaded. These are only the two components which will be required. If we will be facing any issues further, we'll try to resolve them at that particular time. But till then, what you need to do is just press enter and just write ls. And we'll be going to the CD and then ls. So as you can see, we need to go into downloads. Sorry, CD space tilde operator slash downloads, and just press ls. So now just locate your .iso. Is it here or not? uh, .iso, yes, it's here. Well, there are two different versions, so first let me just delete this duplicate. File explorer, I'll just delete the duplicate one, the previous version. Mm, this is the previous version, so move to trash. That's it. Let's just refresh. So just write the ls command again and you will see only the main one remains. Alright. So now what you need to do, we need to create an directory. That is how mk dir space dash p space tilde operator slash office 2007. All right, now we have to just mount. So just write sudo mount dash o space dash o loop tilde operator slash. We have to go inside the downloads slash, just in the single quotes. Just copy this. Right, just copy the name and just press enter. Control, oh shit, Control Shift V. Control Shift V. So it has been entered. Now we need again tilde operator slash office 2007 and press enter. Type your password. So as you can see, mounted read only. So that's source side protected. Now we have to go a little bit more hard road. All right. So the hard road is you just have to write ls tilde operator slash office 2007. So we got some of the things like auto run and all. If you see the setup.exe, right? Let me just verify. Yes, I can see setup.exe. So what you need to do is export the wine prefix. All right, the same one. Just export it and just write cd space tilde operator slash office 2007. All right, we are in the inside the directory of office 2007 and just write setup wine setup dot exe. And finally you have your Microsoft Office Standard 2007 version running. Now for the product key, there's a trick. Let me just get it with you. So as you can see, the installing has begun. Let me just tell you from where you can get any key or the desired key. So this is Scribit. All right, I'll just share the link in the description. You can get any of the key that you want. Here you can check Microsoft Office 2007 activation key. Well, I am using the professional because it's like the most stable and the most best version. So as you can see, the download is working. You will be able to use it as an app. Don't worry. It will be storing your documents. You will be able to share them and everything. All right. I'll just pause for a while. So as you can see, Microsoft Office 2007 has been successfully installed. So close. Now just press this and just write Office. Right. So now how to start it? All right. So first we will be exporting wine prefix and then just write wine start uh, wine start win word. Press enter. So as you can see, something came up. All right, and just press OK. Hooray! It's open. Just remove this for a while and just come over here. I'm just activating it for now. You just have to press enter. That's it. All right, just close it. Uh, keep your system practically next. Just finish it up and all. So I'm just going to show you right now. Just wait. It has been open on my parallel screen. Right. Just give me 1 second. I'll just bring it to this screen.